We're going to do a short video on support and resistance trading strategy for stocks, and we've got 190 support and resistance points on here for you from rbamresearch.com. This is for Monday, the 24th of October, and you'll see several things on here. We have 1, 5, and 20 trading day holding periods, and again, these are for 190 plus stocks. The algorithmically generated entry prices from Monday. When it puts a zero across here, their algorithm has determined Monday's not a great day to buy that stock. You can come down here and see DraftKings got some entries, Smile Direct Club, and Twitter, so forth. But a lot of stocks don't have entries for Monday. That's just the way the algorithms work. 3 or 4 days a week, these will all be populated. 1 or 2 days a week, you'll have a lot of zeros like you do this week. So these are all coming up from Monday, the 24th, and you can see that you got 1 day entry price means get in on Monday, get out the next trading day at a loss at the end of the trading day, or take your profit sooner if you get them. Same thing for the 5 day, same thing for the 20. Get in Monday, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. Get out at the end of 20 trading days at a loss, or take your profits sooner as you get them. And that's how these support and resistance points work. Now, I'm going to show you in a moment some shorts, but these are all buy points on here. And again, entertainment only. You have to do your own research. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. But they do give you support points, and we have some resistance points on another chart I'll show you in just a minute. Now, if we go down here, these are 190. I'm not going to show you all of them. You can tune in yourself for absolutely free, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But if we go down here, we've got support and resistance points that show you some shorts as well. This is a 30-day hold system, slightly different. This has a trend following component. It covers 10 or 11 major stocks. It's for Monday the 24th. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. Buy, flat, and short. You can see the S&P 500 E-mini futures showing flat from Monday with zero. Tesla's showing a short at 2014. Ford is showing a buy. So you can see they go back and forth. These basically get in, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, get out at the end of 30 trading days at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you can get them. And again, for entertainment purposes only, you have to do your own analysis. But those just an example of support and resistance trading strategy that we've got for you on here. You can get access to everything we've got, and that includes 190 stocks, the most major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all at rbamresearch.com. Free access, no credit card required. Just follow the link in the description below. Go over there and sign up with your email address. It's absolutely no cost, and again, no credit card required. Everything's updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, but if you go over the night before, after 6 p.m., you can usually get access to everything early, except for the cryptos, which go out after 8 p.m. the night before. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. Always have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below.